Good morning. Gonna take the pups for a walk and found a new dog park about 15 minutes away from the Woodlands in North Houston. Gonna try this little dog park out. It's called Burroughs Park. We've got a little doggy potty clean up after your dog spot. Come on, Cora. We brought them some water. Got a doggy washing station. Sounds like it's near a gun range. Don't leave toys in the dog park. Huh? It looks like over there. Is there like a dog park and a small dog park? Yeah, small dog's right there. It's right there, the one you're going towards.
Small dog?
Yeah, this one's small and that one over there must be large. Looks really pretty. 65 degrees, gorgeous. Come on, Cora. Here we go. Johnny's like, I gotta smell things. All right, we're gonna let you off leash. Little puppies. Aw. What a sweet baby. Hi. It's my turn. Hi.
What are you doing?
Pretty baby. Aw, cute puppies. Cute puppies. Johnny's like, I'm already exploring.
That's a poop walk.
Is it a poop walk? Oh, it is. Oh, man. Okay. We've got cleanup stations, too. And this is great. Very helpful. And the little place to put it when you're done. I gotta go get Johnny's poop because he pooped right away. And done. Very convenient. And Jeff brought the ball for Cora. She could play. Oh, she found another ball. So Cora keeps finding all the balls in this park. Do you might have a ball-obsessed dog? We have one. Problem is, she won't bring it back. She won't retrieve it and bring it back.
Cora. What I have.
She'll just... There she goes. She goes and runs after it. And then she goes...
Our dog's broken.
She's broken. Cora. So you wind up doing more exercise than she does because you'll have to go to the ball to kick it for her again. And then there's Mr. Johnny, who's just chill as he can be. He just doesn't care. Look at her. Where's that ball, Cora? Is that a ball? Oh, did you find a ball? Drop. See if I can get her to go over to the other ball. And that's the large dog park over there. We might go over there too just to check it out. Because it's got a really big like walking loop around it. This one's very small, I guess because small dogs, but I kind of want to go with the other one. It's nice and big. They also have fountains for big people, little people, and puppy dogs. Fills up the bowl. Looks like it drains it too, so it doesn't stay very long. Yeah, that's good. That way the water doesn't get gross. Come on, drop. Johnny. Good boy. Sure, handsome boy. There's a trail back there we can go through. Those ladies, absolutely. Yeah, the ladies who just left, they took their dogs back there. Look at these beautiful babies. Pretty doggies. Hi. Hi, pups. Cora, where's your ball? Go get it. Ah, poor little broken dog. Your wires got crossed. The puppies are running around. We're the only two doggies in the park right now. The other ones left. They were really cute though. There's quite a few in the big dog park, but it is in the middle of the day on a Friday, so I'm not surprised. That sound you hear, I believe there's a gun range over here, which is what we're hearing. And Johnny's just wandering around. He's so calm. And then there's this. This is insane Cora. When she gets around toys or balls, it's ridiculous. I would play with her all day if she'd just bring the ball back. She doesn't bring the ball back. Okay, we got this off of Amazon.
So you check your shoes for Doodle.
I will. So far, so good. Doodle. Anyway, we got this off of Amazon. I'll link it for you. I'm not exactly sure. You're supposed to be able to like squeeze it and the water comes out.
Well, that's coming out real fast.
Oh, hush. I do. It's coming out. It's just like really slow. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Just gotta squeeze it a little bit and have it at the right angle. Puppies! We filled it up with some really good water at home. Baby, you want some water? Want to drink of water? Corey, drink some water. Here. Corey, here. Really? She's too focused on the ball? Water? Right up in her face. She did not care. Johnny, you see a friend? It works really well. Just have to have it exactly the right angle to get the water to come out when you squeeze it.
But that said, learn how to sit on this bench.
Call this number. Those are for people who don't know how to sit.
Real busy people.
Yeah, and Johnny, he's just like following along behind this little dog. Johnny, what is it, buddy? All right, Cora, crazy dog. Let's go for a walk. Come on. We're gonna go on this trail back here. All she sees is the ball. Look at this. Look at this concentration. Poor baby. As soon as I try to film it, it's over. All the leaves are coming down. There it goes.
You know you can actually put that soundtrack in there for a few seconds. Just do it. What was it, 4 seconds?
I think you get 4 or 5 seconds, yeah. You ready to go, bud? Let's go. Oh.
Yeah, let's put an iPhone. Come on, go.
Let's go on a trail walk.
You want something else? Come on.
My little Monate pet thing. I thought I got this online, but I didn't. Got it through Monate, my hair company. Come on. That's a good girl. Let's go out into nature. Yeah, absolutely. We both needed it. We needed it. The dogs needed it.
Any of you would like a homemade leash?
Oh, yeah.
I'm selling them.
Jeff can make you a homemade leash. He made these.
$25.
$25 doll hairs?
Doll hairs.
Not dog hairs, doll hairs. They're paracord. So he makes them whatever color you want. And if you have a specific one and we can't find it for you, send us the paracord. We got to get our P.O. box set up first, though.
It's got to be a genuine 550 paracord.
Yeah, not the
knockoff stuff doesn't cinch tight.
Nope.
Well, the age-old question in life.
Left or right?
Left or right?
I say left.
Do left.
Okay. It's pretty back here. It's wide enough for a car.
Oh, yeah.
And it's kind of paved. I wonder. I don't know. No, I doubt you can drive through here. This is how it is in a lot of Texas. It is very dense.
It's a fire trap in itself.
Yep.
Lots of stuff lives in there too, I bet.
We don't usually have any trouble with that, though.
Any smooth mammals?
All kinds of things could live under there.
Smell those pillows?
Come on, little girl. She's so funny. When you take her on a walk, she's like, oh, I don't have the energy. When she's at home, she'll chase that ball until she passes out. Yes. Little pepperoni. Little Cocoa Puffs. Little Cocoa. Hot Cocoa. She has many names. Oh, wow. It splits again. 3 ways. Gorgeous day.
Goes back to the fence line, I think.
You want to try that then?
That's bobcat scat.
Because of the fur in it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Whatever that is.
No, baby. Gross. We kind of went around And there's a little farm over here. Some cows.
No, that's that same floofer.
Same what?
That's that same floofer.
Oh, the dog down there. I'm talking about the cows right here.
Oh.
It's a nice house over here too. It's pretty. Lots of land. Softer dirt.
Something like 93 to 96% of Texas is all privately owned.
I don't know about that big of a number, but I guarantee you it's a lot.
If you go hunting, you never get drawn by a unit. You have to go on someone's property.
Yeah, well, that's true. Ooh, cow patties. Anybody wants some?
That is a nice home.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
These cows are used to seeing doggos.
Yep. Look at these cows.
You've seen those pictures of the cat sleeping on top of the cow?
No.
The cow's laying down and the cat's passed on his back.
Cows and cats sleeping together.
Massive
hysteria. Look at these sweet babies.
No. That means
Jeffrey.
hi.
No, it doesn't. Look at them. They're snuggling.
John, they're just cows, dude.
Is he scared?
I've never seen a cow.
He's never seen a cow. What are they, Johnny? Cora, what are these big things?
She's treading softly.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Come on, let's
he
go.
flicked his tail, and Cora's like, what's that? Look at her. Look at her. Cora, what is it? Cora, what? Hey, buddy.
First time he's ever seen a cow.
Hey, big guy. Hello. Hello. Hi.
I don't know. That's someone else's stuff.
I'm just petting him.
You never know if
Here, Pum Pum.
someone steals those. Aw.
Aw. The little tails. Come on. Fresh farm eggs.
Oh, yeah.
Asha Cresamen Farm.
Big thing around here. Oh, look at that.
John 3:16. See, he wouldn't mind me petting his cow. Look at these bugs just hanging in the air. Right in front of you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, speaking of kitty.
Well, we were just talking about you.
Look at that kitty kitty.
You missed the water? Said no cat ever.
No.
Not a bad way to spend an afternoon.
Hey, kitty kitty.
You learn a lot living in the country like this.
Yes.
You can't just call someone. A lot of the time you got to do it yourself.
Oh, yeah. It's a nice big clearing. Look at this.
Reminds me of the Stokes house.
I was just thinking that
Yeah,
when we
really?
went way back there.
Yeah.
That's when I first kind of saw it. I was like, that's what it reminded me of. It's just not yellow.
I love their house.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of got their own little slice, you know, away from everybody.
They do. This is so pretty.
Okay,
Look,
so
big
now
fluffy
that-
dog.
That's a wheelbarrow.
Hmm. Yeah.
Remember that
Our
big one we
wheelbarrow.
got?
Our wheelbarrow is not. Yeah. Nope. Ooh, look, the leaves are falling again. Yeah, it's February and we're just now getting our like winter and fall. It's ridiculous.
Well, the trees have all turned.
Yeah. Scan that code. I want to see their eggs. Lemonade for sale.
Lemon ale.
Private property. There's a big fluffy dog asleep on the ground over there.
We're at.
He's over there by the truck.
Oh.
Look, these are baby cows. Hi, babies. Aren't they cute? All right, the car's over there to the left. You guys done?
I didn't have an appointment.
Nice walk.
Stay here for a few hours. This is great.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're not that kind of a Oh, boy, you're right.
Come on, Cora. You got it.
Spiky
Go.
gum thing.
Oh, the sweet gum balls? Yeah, they're spiky. They hurt your toe beans. This had to be a Boy Scout thing. Yeah, definitely they were practicing making shelters. How fun! Kind of hidden back here too. Did I hear a bike?
Yeah. I've always been looking to the left. I haven't explored that way.
You like the left?
Yeah. Take it over there under the bridge.
Under the bridge? Pretty. Yeah. Not sure if he's a butterfly or a moth. I guess he's a butterfly. This cypress creek? I don't think this guy's gonna make it. Oh yeah, it's done.
We're saving that for the next final destination.
Yeah. There's one little green oasis over here.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, it looks really nice right here. It's pretty.
This reminds me of that mess that
Ooh, careful there.
Kevin wanted me to get in with him at the Kirby house.
Butterfly. He's over here, babe.
Oh, there they are. And they blend in.
Oh, saw us plop. There they went.
They must have really good vision.
Or hearing something.
They got a couple holes in their heads, so you know they're.
Yeah. Not for your ankles?
Yeah, because there's no path. It's just you have to walk on the decline.
I thought they paved it down there now. No?
Pretty sure that's always been there. I don't know why I remember it.
Looks like a beaver house. Huh? Yeah, I thought it was a stick too. Hey. Yeah, that's about it, unless you want to go that way, so.
Exactly what we did last time.
Turn around.
I mean, we could probably walk further back that way, but it's not going to be as.
We've also got. I think that's the one that actually. See, that's a path.
Oh, it feeds out.
Yeah. I think that's where it starts.
Oh, and it goes all the way on the side, so we could have
Yeah.
gone back from that side.